Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Saturday 19th of March, and I think we got an answer. Let me dive into the 4 hour time frame here, and Solana right now, guys, is gonna give us an answer. By the way, I don't think I do have a proper one, but it seems like you're now about to cross this level for good. Okay, now you're still not really like breaking out completely to backtest. There's a little bit of, but in my opinion, the way things are looking right now, you're really gonna break out from here. Now there's some evidence that can support my claim that on the weekly, what are you putting in? On the weekly, you're putting a bullish engulfing candlestick. Now for me, that's my answer, that from here, this is your bottoming out structure candlestick, and this means reversal. That's it. Hasta la vista, baby. We're gonna go up to the moon now. Okay, but the first target, of course, is gonna be this level. It's gonna be $150, let's say, simple words, even though it's 153, but let me just round it off, floor number. I'm gonna give 150 as my price prediction. So basically, if you want to learn how I'm doing all of these things, I do have a course for you. Today's the last day for the discounted prices, so do check it out. Come here, click the I want this button, and you're gonna see hours of contents. And if you really want to take your trading game to the next level, I'm going to help you out with that course. And if you're a person who's serious, take the course. If you're not serious, I don't need you, and the course is not for you, basically. So here we are. That's the 4 hour time falling wedge here, and you're looking to actually really go to 150 now. If you do that, if you do break out of a downtrend, in my opinion, let's talk about the long term pattern. So let me turn on the log scale actually. Yeah, from the log scale, yeah, sorry, the log scale actually has already broken out and retested. You can see that never ever in the daily have you closed above this trend line ever since January. Okay, even here you didn't, but this time you actually did. Okay, you closed above. If you look at it right here, go tradingview.com, and you've already closed above this resistance line. That's bullish, absolutely bullish. We got the answer. Now we're looking to go to the upside. Half of the story was told, half was told to me. That's it, bye bye. Let's talk about the high time frames. Of course, I just want to actually take the fib retracement of this correction to the downside, and from there to there. So what are you looking for? I'm looking for $555 in the long run. Okay, so to me, that's gonna be my next bull. Like if the bull run was to resume, you're looking for 555 and potentially even go near the 800, but it's safe to say 555 is there. And even I do believe it's gonna do $362 by ease. Okay, so what I'm expecting is a run very similar to what happened here. You're gonna see a very similar run to what is gonna about happen there. History can repeat like this one. Okay, because even here you went down, breakout, make a reversing pattern, boom, you shoot to the upside. Went down, form the falling wedge, boom, you're looking to go to the upside. So the fractals do play out. Solana is an amazing project, guys. That's the reason why I've been updating about Solana back to back, and that's it for the update. It's looking absolutely golden, and for me, from my side, guys, I just want to tell you, if you want to trade, take this trading course, and seriously, you're gonna love it. Anyway, that's it for the update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.